Welcome back to the best place to live in the best valley, the Meadow Valley. A major joy is the distinctive 4 seasons. Each season guarantees you a particular color, recreation, work, and pleasures. For me, it's the rhythm of life, the keel that steers us year in and year out. The irrigation pumps are going, the ponds are full, the creek is running full. My crabapple, cherry, apple, and plum trees are all blooming, the fields are greening up, and the upper benches are just gold with balsam root. The young vegetable starts are growing, while the cool weather crops are planted with onions and potatoes and peas all poking their heads up out of the earth. It's going to be another good year. So stick around to the end of the video and see some unexpected, amusing guests. And coming up, my irrigation system for my garden that I've been using for many years and like the best. I have tried overhead sprinklers, flood irrigation, but have found raised beds running east to west, with drip tape being the best. Here you see the PVC control center for the drip lines. It has a filter with an orange cap that will release any pressurized water, and then it's attached to a filter that just screws off. It has little tabs that you can grab and twist it. You need to rinse that regularly. There's a little electronic cap with wires sticking out if you wish to put a timer on it, and a pressure valve right there. Right there, I'm flipping back and forth the on-off switch. It's just a 180-degree little lip. And we've also attached a regular hose fitting so that I have water to water my greenhouse right behind me. Okay, so here's the fittings that you use, available in DripWorks catalog. I'll take you inside and we'll show you how that works. They twist. And then as you twist, they loosen it and you can pull off the tape. So here's a close-up view of it. This portion, the T-tape just slips over the protruding part here. And then this is a good grabber. It just twists tight over the tape and really locks it down. And then this is the projectile, for lack of a better word, that you put in the hole in the lay flat. So you just stick it in there, snaps in, and then we attach the tape. It just slips over like that, and then this good gripper will hold it in place, and then it's nice and tight. So I wanted to show you this. From my lay flat here, I buried a little piece of poly hose. Here it is on the other side of the fence. And I carried it over to my hawthorn tree. And I just encircled the hawthorn tree with the poly hose. And then there's little tiny emitters that you can punch in the poly. So under pressure, they'll open up, and I wish I'd get my fingers up here. They open and let the water ooze out. And I'll show you a close-up picture of that in the DripWorks catalog. There he is. Look, can you see him? Here he comes. Gosh, I hope I got that.